Hey friends, welcome back to Watavue Mountain. You guessed it, we are not at the mountain today. You probably didn't guess it because we're in the woods. Not in the woods at Watavue Mountain. We're at my good buddy Rick's place. And today we're gonna do a tailgate review. And you guessed it, we're gonna do a tailgate review on this TideWe hunting blind. Now, if you're a hunter, which you probably are if you're checking out this video, you've probably seen the ads for these pop up on social media and wondered, is it really that easy and is it really that good? So me being the common guy who's not sponsored, in fact, I didn't even pay for this. Rick is such a good friend that not only does he let me hunt his land, but he went and bought this. So today we're going to unbox this, see what's in there, and then we're gonna see how easy it is to set up. And I'm gonna go straight through it. I'm not gonna jump cut or do any of that kind of stuff. You know, I show you all my mistakes as we go along, and we'll see how easy this really is. So enough of me jabbering. Get yourself something to drink. Let's go find a good spot to put this bad boy up and see how easy it is. All right, why is he wearing orange, you might be asking? Well, we're just, well, it depends on who you ask. We're a couple weeks from the rut. Some people say we're pre-rut. Some people say we're in the rut. Some people say we're not there yet. Either way, we've noticed the deer, the big deer, are not traveling where we want them to be, or where we are, rather. So we're gonna try this out because historically, Rick has always seen big deer back here in this back part of his property. There's a couple great scrapes right down there, a couple of rubs over there. So, and I'll show you the view. Not that it matters because you're not here for that. We're here to see what's in the bag. Really light, might be one of the lightest ground blinds I've ever messed with. Let's open this up and see what's in the bag. Got your instructions right here, which normally I would tell you to read. Here we go, a little bag of goodies. Let's see what we have in here. I know what we're supposed to have because the box said 4 ropes, 4 stakes, all that good stuff. So let's see what we actually have. Oh yeah, ropes and stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 8 stakes. I'm assuming 8 ropes. So, all right, I'll set that aside for now. Undo our little buckle here. Try to unwrap it. Just lay it out like so, and we're gonna grab this middle piece right here, and I'm gonna put my foot right on the edge over here. So standing there, not on the bars, and I'm just gonna jerk this up. Nope, not as easy as it looks. All right. So fight it a little, you'll get there. And then each center has a pull out. So you just grab that. It's got a nice little lanyard. So if you pull and push, well, maybe it won't look like a monkey humping a football. There we go, get the bottom down. Pull it out. Or push it back in. Okay. All right. So not too bad. A little harder than what they show on their little video, but you can see, I mean, you can't see through it. Let's move around back and take a look at the back side. All right, here's the back panel. You have a window so you can still see out this way, because this is the only side that is a full enclosed panel. It'll make more sense once we go inside. And then here we have double zippers, if I can find them. So one there, one here so you can adjust that too, so you still have another way to peek out the back. So let's open this up. Let's step inside and see what it looks like inside. All right, nice and roomy. I'm 6 feet tall, 6'1". I can almost stand up in here, but let's take a look around and see what we see. So there you go. 270-degree view all the way around. Well, not all the way, 270 degrees. All right, and then here's that back we talked about. That's just a nice, quiet connect. I don't know if you can see that with see the little plastic T-piece. Slides through a loop. Keeps you in place there. And you can either zip this shut, or if you're trying to be real quiet, they got these little plastic clips on a bungee that come up to the bar. There you go, and that closes that in. And then you can sit here and observe. You can see it's pretty easy to see through, but it's got these quiet slip windows, which I thought was whatever. But so once you see your animal or whatever, you can just reach over, slip this up, slip this down, whatever, and create your gap so that you can shoot. So there you go, pretty straightforward. Let me grab a chair and see how that looks in here. There you go, pretty simple. Got a little chair here, got a great view. There's definitely room in here for 2 people. I don't know if I'd go so far as to say 3 full-size people. Maybe 2 adults and 1 kid or something, but it's gonna be tight if you're trying to shoot, especially if you're using a bow. Now, 1-person bow all day, maybe 2, but 3, I don't think so. So let's go outside, take one more look, and get it battened down with those stakes. Well, I guess we need to do the ultimate test. I'm here by myself, so I can't look at the video and do this at the same time, but I'm gonna go inside and we'll see if you can see me, even with my orange on. Make sure these are closed. There you go. Here I am. You see me fixing it. I'm sure you see that movement, but I don't know if you can see this. We'll find out when I come back and look at the video if you can see that or not see that. And the sun's coming right in through that shade. I can see the camera, but I don't think you can see me. One last little feature we didn't talk about. They have these little loops here, just canvas loops. So if you want to really brush it up, you can just, you know, stick your brush through there. They got it all the way around on the top and the middles. So if you want to brush it up, maybe to go down, I wouldn't go up because then you're blocking your field of view. But yeah, pretty jam up there. So let me get these stakes in and then we'll finish this thing up. So there you go. I mean, you saw how simple it was. That first pull out kind of kicked my butt. It could have been just because it's new, it's a little stiff, but not terrible, not the worst thing I ever tried to do. So that worked out pretty good. I think I looked the other day when Rick told me he bought this. I think they're about 140 bucks, which is a bargain. If you look at some of the other big 2 or 3 man pop-ups, they're way more than that. So something to think about. We'll see how long it lasts. Now, of course, like everything else, if we have any troubles, I'll let you know. I'll make another video and show you what happened there. But it seems like it's really good, durable material, easy for one dude to set up. And I'm not, you know, a stud by any stretch of the imaginations. And that's it. So thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out. Leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you have one of these, you like it, you think there's something I could have done better in the video, something else I needed to explain that I didn't, I'll be happy to respond to your comments. Of course, check out the rest of our channel. We're doing a build series. We do lots of suburbia projects, all kinds of different stuff going on. So if you like this, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you know when we post new content. And then, of course, look up this way, and we're going to post something else up there for you. Probably something related to the build series at the mini cabin, but who knows. So until next time, be safe. God bless. Thanks for coming.